gorgeous 4-bedroom home in a wonderful North Andover neighborhood, less than 2 miles from Stiles Pond. This home features a wonderful open floorplan first level with gleaming hardwood floors throughout. The large eat-in kitchen offers beautiful custom cabinets and a center island with stainless steel appliances and access to the screened-in porch, deck, and backyard with heated in-ground pool. The first floor also features a wonderful family room off of the kitchen with a bay window and fireplace, a dining room, living room with charming brick fireplace, and an oversized laundry room with a sink and outdoor access. The second floor features 4 spacious bedrooms, including the wonderful master suite with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, as well as an additional full bath with double vanity. Finished walkout lower level offers a